Tired of tangled cables cluttering your TV space? This cable management solution offers a sleek way to organize excess wires within wall storage, giving you easy access to the back of your TV whenever you need it. No more awkward reaching or messy tangles, just clean, simple access that keeps your setup looking sharp. What sets this system apart is its compatibility. It supports all kinds of TV power plugs, including right-angle cords and bulky power supplies. Plus, it features USB Type-A ports to power digital TV adapters, cable boxes, soundbars, and popular streaming devices like Apple TV or Roku. That means fewer cords running everywhere and more convenience in one spot. Managing multiple cables has never been easier. The included cable access strap handles the jumble of wires needed to support your TV and accessories. It keeps everything secure and neatly bundled, so you don't have to worry about cables getting tangled or damaged over time. One user shared their experience, highlighting the quality of the design and the usefulness of the USB ports. While they initially tried a like-new version that lacked some crucial parts, upgrading to a brand new unit made all the difference. The improved build and extra USB ports stood out compared to other options on the market. If you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup, this cable management system is worth a look. It's built to handle a variety of devices and power needs, making it a versatile choice for any TV setup. The neat design and practical features mean less hassle and more enjoyment when watching your favorite shows. Ready to clear the clutter and power your devices effortlessly? This cable organizer offers what you need to streamline your space and keep everything running smoothly. Try it when you're ready to experience a cleaner, more efficient TV area without the usual cable chaos.